Well, the CDC wants pharmacies to quit turning people away with compromised immune systems who are seeking a fourth COVID shot. Our Lauren Kostick talks with a few people who struggled to get the help they need.
The CDC is clearing up confusion, telling pharmacies and clinics to stop turning people away who are immunocompromised and want a fourth shot.
Check-in process, I handed them my CDC card and they looked at it like confused for a little bit.
Last week, Adam Miller went to the Boone County Health Department to get his fourth dose. But before receiving his shot, workers weren't sure if he was eligible, an issue he's never had before.
I think that was really what triggered it for getting the shot, was me mentioning that my doctor recommended I come in and get that fourth shot.
Right now, fourth doses aren't recommended for the general public, but are encouraged for the millions of people with compromised immune systems. A change that happened back in October after the CDC approved the fourth shot as a booster for the high-risk group, on top of their 3 other doses. And in January, the agency shortened the waiting period from 6 months to 5. But somehow that messaging didn't reach everyone.
And I was next in line, and they told me, the pharmacist came and told me that they don't do fourth vaccine. She didn't notice that it was for a fourth.
Lynn Livingston also had a problem last week. She made an appointment at CVS for a fourth shot, but was quickly sent home, only to be called back later by the pharmacist.
Something came across her computer saying that she could do the fourth vaccine. She would hope that I would come back and get it, so I did.
Others have needed to show proof of medical records or a doctor's note, an issue CVS says it's addressing, and Walgreens is making every effort to update its staff. A frustrating obstacle for those most vulnerable to the virus, hoping this confusion gets cleared up soon.
Let's take a look at Hoosier vaccination rates as of today. The Department of Health reports 55.8% of Indiana residents 5 and older are fully vaccinated. And Hoosiers 70 to 74 are leading the charge, with 86.4% of that group being fully vaccinated. Well, happening today, we expect an update from IU health leaders on their fight against COVID-19. They're also going to share the impact it's had on hospitalizations, staffing, supplies, and when they'll restart elective procedures. You'll remember last week, IU Health Methodist Hospital asked the FEMA team to stay on another 30 days. Today's update is set for 3:30, and we'll share what we learn on 13 News at 5.